Hello guys, welcome to Atif technical channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna talking about how you can learn coding C++ tutorial. In this part 2, we're gonna talk about the loop function and all other stuff that is going on. So let's get started. In the previous episode, we are writing about the cout function and we execute everything that is coming up from here. But I want to tell you that there are some many following that we can do in the C++ programming language. Example, if you want to comment, let's remove all of that thing and I will rewrite int main again. So when I press enter, this, and I want to tell someone that what I'm gonna write about. So I'm gonna make this kind of single line command start to forward the slash. You can with 2 slash and I will say that this is a comment and I want it to print it out like this. Cd out, C is std and c out, and I will type hello world again. But this time this tag right here didn't execute because this is mean that the 2 slash is mean it is a comment. So yeah guys, I'm gonna print this out and let's see. Oh no, stdc out and hello world. Oh, I forgot to make this one more, sorry, and you will get this hello world right there. So in here you don't see the return 0, but you still see the program execute. It's mean that it doesn't matter, but in order to have the good execute, you have to write the return 0 because it's just the most program things that you have to be careful, because when you write a big program, you don't have time to implement the small things. So you have to have a good habit, because you don't want to waste your time to checking around what's going on when you've got to process things. So I'm gonna execute it again. As you can see, yes, it's coming right there. So yes, you can comment from multiple line comments. So I'm gonna write right there like multiple line comments. So the multiple line comment, it mean that it start with this line. Basically it start with this line and it will end with this line. So you type this line and this line. It means that if I want to type something like this, I think that if I want to type something like this, this is a code, and I want to space like this new line, but it doesn't come along. So what you have to do is you need to make sure you use this line like this, okay? And then all you have to do is just type the text you want like there. This is a multi-line comment, and you write something like this. You see, it's still coming after all. So I prefer to use this line instead. I prefer this type of comments. So yeah, so I think that we're gonna look into like variables. So I didn't talk about variable last time, but there's many variable in C++. So it's there's a variable like I think it is int and double car string. Yeah, it's string, bool, so on. So all of the things is the variable in C++. So if you want to declare or create a variable, then there's a syntax for that formula. So the syntax should be so the syntax is type variable name and equal to value. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open a Word and I'm gonna type something for you. So if you want to declaring creating variable, you have to I think I need to write like this because it's more, yeah. So declaring, so if you want to declare, yeah, so you want to declare a variable, then there's a syntax for this. So the syntax should be type variable and equal to value. So basically this is the formula of the syntax. So if you want to declare a functions, declare a variable, so basically just take all of this. So the data type would be int, and the variable names should be my number, and equal to the value. So I want to give the 15 value. So basically I will explain you later what is int and how it works. So basically int is a variable that stores a number. So basically when I type something like this, it will store number inside my num. So this is what it basically means. So you can declare variable without assigning the value and assigning a value later. The example, like I want to give like int my num2. So and then I just make a semicolon, and I will comment something like this so you can understand. You can create a variable and assign value later. So it mean that you create this variable and you give it value later like this. Like I will call it back like my num. So declare later. So it should be my num2 and my num2 equals to 30. So it is the same thing. It's basically the same like this. Okay, so and after that I'm gonna print both of this so you can see. I will print like stdc out my num and stdc out my num2. So my num2. So and then I just compile this one and you see the result. So you can see is a 1530 because I didn't make the space in here. So so I will get the space like this. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I think it should be working. Yes. So as you can see, 15 and 30 is showing right there. So this is how you can declare the function. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. If you have any question, please comment down below. Thank you so much.